Right, we are going to a Thai cooking class. Are you guys ready to cook? Yeah. Wow, there was no enthusiasm there. Joseph got lost. No, I'm just kidding. We're here. That's how it's supposed to look, because what we were doing was wrong, or not good enough, because we were all weak. So how's the Thai coconut soup,
So
right?
good. So good.
Tom Yum Goong soup with Tom from England. How is it?
It's bloody hot.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Good job, me.
Let's try this.
Pad Thai.
Okay, ready for some pad Thai. What is yours?
Mine's actually fat thigh.
Oh, very nice.
Slightly different. Made by South Africa.
And mine is pan burnt. Yeah, so let's see how this tastes. So what are we making again?
Tom yum chili fish.
Are you excited? Yeah. Can you guys smell it?
I can smell it.
Smells good, right? Best smell ever.
Does smell good. I mean, it's not my kind of tea, but you know, I'm sure it'll be good. Yeah.
So this part of the video is you telling us how you liked the cooking class. How was it?
It was amazing. It was awesome.
Yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it. The food was good, the food was fun. didn't burn myself.
I burnt myself.
It was not too hot. Yeah, good.
Joseph.
Also, mine was spicy, extra spicy, good hangover soup. Burnt myself a little bit. Didn't cut myself.
Okay. Yeah, so I liked it. The food was good. We made foods that I had never heard of or tasted before, and they were all delicious, and I made them. So that's what makes it so special.
And the lady was super crazy cool as well. They were all really nice.
Yeah.
Did like special stuff for us.
Great vibe, great atmosphere, great food, good friends. I mean, you can't beat that. And then don't jump out in front of a car like some people. After that amazing Thai cooking class, eating all that food, I need you smash eyes, make some room for this night market. So. This is what happens when you get separated from the group and you don't know where you're going. You gotta ask for directions, but we don't know the name of the place we're going to, so let's see if we can find it. Okay, so Yvonne and I got separated from our group, going to the night market to eat. So we are not at the night market, but we are going to head back to Khao San Road for something to eat. Yvonne, thoughts?
Hope you guys enjoyed that pull-up shot.
Yeah.
That is how we got here.